there! Welcome back to our video series called Why Nauman. My name is Rebecca and I'm here with Dave, our comfort specialist for residential HVAC installations. Dave, thanks for joining us again today.
Hi Rebecca, thanks for having me back.
So today we're going to continue our conversation about HVAC installations. And Dave, can you tell us a little bit about the different systems that Nauman installs and how exactly you help a customer choose the right one?
We install central air conditioning systems, central heat pump systems. We do replacements. We do systems that would include full ductwork. We also install ductless mini splits, gas and oil furnaces. We are installing a lot more of what we call hybrid systems today in homes. Hybrid system would be similar to what we see out on the highway in the way of a hybrid car that utilizes gas and electricity to produce what we call that best fuel economy. We can take that best fuel economy and now transfer it over into a customer's home, into their heating system. We would take a traditional heat pump, we would combine that with a gas furnace or an oil furnace to create that best fuel economy. That process starts with a free in-home consultation. So we will go out to that customer's home and we do take into consideration a lot of factors such as heat and cooling loads in the home, the size of the space that we're looking to condition, also the customer's wants and needs, and basically we want to talk to them about what they're looking for in the way of a new heating system. Once all that's completed, we'll provide an all-inclusive proposal. Our goal here at Nauman is to provide the best solution and option for that customer to make a decision moving forward.
Great, that was a lot of awesome information. So it sounds like with your expertise and guidance, a Nauman customer can really feel confident that they are choosing the right HVAC system for their home.
Sure, we're here to help them live comfortably.
Great. Well, that's all we have time for today. Join us next time and we're going to talk to Dave about the HVAC installation process and kind of what that looks like and what exactly a customer can expect from that. Thanks, Dave.
Thanks, Rebecca.
Why Nauman is brought to you by Nauman Companies. Visit them online at callnauman.com or call 570-476-7515.